Confused about when to use present simple and present continuous? Through 5 exciting travel stories, you'll master these tenses naturally. Get ready to practice with our interactive exercises.
They make us sway, we'll both the sky, and every day together we learn and play.
Hello everyone, I'm Edgar, host of the Story Level English channel. Welcome to today's lesson. We'll explore 5 real-life travel situations where you'll discover exactly when to use I work versus I am working. After each story, we'll practice together with fun exercises. Ready? Let's begin. Story 1. Airport check-in.
Good morning. Where do you travel to today?
Hi, I'm traveling to Barcelona. I always get nervous before flights.
Don't worry, that's normal. Are you carrying any luggage?
Yes, I'm carrying this suitcase, but I usually travel light.
I see you're wearing a Barcelona shirt. Do you support the team?
Yes, I watch every game. Right now, I'm actually going to see them play.
Interactive Practice 1. Let's pause and practice. Complete these sentences. Fill in the gaps. 1 Emma. Travel. To Barcelona today. 2 She. Get. Nervous before every flight. 3 Right now she. Wear. A Barcelona shirt. Excellent. Let's understand why. Is traveling, it's happening right now. Gets, it's her regular reaction. Is wearing, she has the shirt on at this moment.
Story 2. Hotel reception.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the gym.
The gym opens at 6 a.m. every day. Are you staying on this floor?
No, I'm staying on the 3rd floor. I exercise every morning.
Many guests do the same. Oh, I see you're carrying your laptop. We provide free Wi-Fi.
Perfect. I work remotely while I travel.
Interactive Practice 2. Time for a quick game. True or false? Choose true or false. 1. The gym opens at 6 a.m. Present simple. 2. I'm staying on the 3rd floor. Present continuous. 3. He works remotely. Present simple. One true. Schedule equals present simple. 2 true. Temporary situation equals present continuous. 3 true. Regular habit equals present simple.
Story 3. Restaurant scene.
Are you ready to order?
I'm still reading the menu. What do you recommend?
Our chef makes amazing pasta. Today he's preparing a special carbonara.
I love Italian food, but I'm trying to eat local dishes on this trip.
The local stew is popular. Tourists always enjoy it.
Interactive Practice 3. Choose the correct form of the verb for each sentence. Pick the correct option. 1. The chef. In this restaurant. It works. B is working. C working. 2. Right now he. Our special pasta. It makes. B is making. C make. 3. The waiter. To our table at the moment. It comes. B is coming. Ci come. 1. Correct answer A. Works. Why? It's his regular job. Present simple for regular activities. 2. Correct answer B. Is making. Why? The action is happening right now. Present continuous for current actions. 3. Correct answer B. Is coming. Why? It's an action in progress right now. Present continuous for actions happening at the moment.
Story 4. Tourist information.
Hi there. You seem lost.
Yes, I'm searching for the museum. I study art history.
The museum closes at 6 p.m. Are you walking there?
No, I'm waiting for the bus. It comes every 15 minutes.
Actually, it's not running today. I suggest taking a taxi.
Interactive practice 4. Complete the conversation with the correct tense. Fill in the blanks. 1. I look for the museum. 2. It close at 6 p.m. 3. The bus come every 15 minutes. Answers. 1. I am looking for the museum. 2. It closes at 6 p.m. 3. The bus comes every 15 minutes. Remember, am looking happening now. Closes regular schedule. Comes regular timetable.
Story 5. Souvenir shop.
Hello. What are you shopping for?
I'm buying gifts for my family. My sister collects magnets.
We stock hundreds of designs. Oh, I notice you're taking photos.
Yes. I'm documenting everything. I post travel photos on my blog.
That's cool. Most visitors do the same thing.
Interactive practice 5. Create your own sentences. Pause the video and once you're done, you'll see some example uses. Write within the context below. 1. Something happening right now. 2. A daily habit. 3. Temporary situation. Example answers. 1. I am watching this English lesson. 2. I study English every day. 3. I am living in London this month.
Final review. Let's remember when to use each tense. Present simple. Regular habits. Facts, schedules. General truths. Present continuous. Actions happening now. Temporary situations. Changes in progress. Current arrangements. Today we've learned how to naturally switch between present simple and present continuous through real travel situations. The difference is simple. Use present simple for habits and facts, and present continuous for actions happening now. Remember, it's not about complex rules. It's about using the right tense at the right time. Practice with the situations around you, and you'll master these tenses naturally. In the comments, let me know which travel story you enjoyed most. Was it the airport check-in, the restaurant scene, or maybe the souvenir shop conversation? If you enjoyed our lesson today, help us reach more English learners by liking and sharing this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for weekly English lessons that work. Want to take your English speaking to the next level? Check out the card, where I dive deep into the shadowing technique. I'll show you step by step how to improve your spoken English using this powerful method. Don't miss it. It's a game changer for your English fluency. See you in our next video.